Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to change language on Life360 app using a simple method through your phone's settings. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, take your phone and open the Life360 app. Make sure to use the latest version and log into your account. This ensures all features are available and working properly. Step 2. In the menu, there's no direct way to change language on the Life360 app itself. Don't worry. Go back to the home screen and open the Settings app on your phone instead. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option called General Management. Tap on it. This is where you'll find system-wide language and input settings. Step 4. From the General Management menu, look for the option labeled App Languages. Tap on it. Then scroll through your installed apps until you find Life360. Once you see it, tap to open it up. Step 5. Here, you'll see a list of all the available languages you can set for the Life360 app. Browse the list and find the language you want to use. Tap on your chosen language to select it. After selecting, it's important to close the app and then open the Life360 app again, and you'll see that the language has changed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to change language on the Life360 app in just a few easy steps. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.